Hello. Today I will show you how to create a connection and a shortcut in SAP. For this, we open the SAP GUI, double-click on the icon SAP Logon. Normally the connections are already set from your SAP team. In my example, we have already a development system. But if it's not, you can create a new connection. Click on the icon, on the sheet icon, top left. Fill in the description of the systems. In our case, it is a production system. Fill in the system ID, the instance number, and the application server. Then click Next. We leave the secure network settings empty. Click Next and Finish. Now we have the new SAP prod system, the new connection in our SAP GUI. And we show the login with the connection. You see you have to add 4 attributes: the client, the user, the password, and the language. Every time when you log in over a connection, you have to fill in these 4 attributes. For this, we create a new shortcut. Same icon, top left. We fill in the title of our new shortcut. Here we can choose between transaction, system command, and report. You can start, for example, start automatically a transaction when you log in. We don't want this, so we leave the field empty. Then we choose the system, fill in the client and the username. And you can change the language if you want. Click off Next. Here you can change the working directory. This is important when you have different users on one PC. So every user has his shortcut and his own working directory. This is important for exports in SAP, for example, when you download files from SAP. Then click Finish. Now we have our shortcut. On the right side, we see the pre-assigned attributes like username, client, and language. And now double click. And here we see we have only add our password. No username, no client, no language. And if you want to know where the data is stored, on the right side you see the path. It's normally the user path, app data, roaming, SAP, and common. In this folder are 2 files. For us important, the SAP UI landscape.xml and I put this in my editor. Here we can see the 2 connections, but I miss the shortcut. For this I will format my XML file. Yes, there it is. Now we see the 2 connections and the shortcut. with my pre-assigned attributes. And this is important if you want to transfer these files to different computers. Okay, thanks for watching.